Bluey was chasing Bingo across the backyard fast. Suddenly the ground beneath them rumbled strong. Muffin shouted, "What's happening now? Could the earth be opening?" Bandit rushed out holding a shovel tight. Chilli grabbed socks and pulled her close quick. Rusty pointed at the cracks spreading wide. Could something rise from below? The soil split open with a roar loud. A hidden staircase spiraled downward deep. Indy gasped, "That looks ancient. Could it be leading somewhere secret?" Bluey ran toward it without fear, bold. Bingo followed, gripping her balloon firm. Bandit yelled, "Wait for us, kids. Could danger be waiting below?" The family stepped into the dark tunnel. Torches lit themselves, glowing bright, eerie. Muffin whispered, "I don't like this place. Could ghosts live here?" Rusty pressed on, determined, strong. Indy shouted, "We must be brave." Chilli held Bandit's hand tight, calm. Could courage be enough tonight? At the end of the tunnel stood doors huge. Symbols shimmered across the stone walls, sharp. Bluey pushed with all her strength, loud. Could she open it? The doors groaned open, heavy, slow. Inside, a grand hall glistened with gold piles tall. Bingo's eyes widened, amazed, quick. Could this be treasure? But a shadow rose from the throne, dark. A knight made of smoke drew its blade cold. Its voice boomed, "Who dares disturb me? Could they survive this fight?" Bandit raised his shovel like steel, brave. Rusty grabbed a torch and swung high, fierce. Indy stood his ground, unshaken. Could they face a phantom? The knight charged, slashing hard. Bluey darted under its arm fast. Bingo tossed her balloon against its chest, bright. Could it weaken him? The shadow cracked apart, trembling. Light spilled through the armor, glowing. Chilli shouted, "It's working, don't stop." Could they actually win? With one final push, Bluey struck true, bold. The night shattered into sparks of stars bright. The hall filled with silence, calm, deep. Could the curse be lifted? The treasure glowed, turning into flowers pure. Muffin picked one, laughing loud. Bluey held it high, smiling proud. Could magic always reward courage? And if your heart raced with theirs, drop a like, hit subscribe, and carry the flower into the next adventure waiting for you.